Now, make yourself as comfortable as you can and begin by taking breaths gently and slowly. Now, you watch yourself where the cool wind take you and feel your mind and body become calm and relaxed. Close your eyes and continue to slowly breathe in and out. Now, visualize yourself being present at the beautiful and peaceful seashore. As you hear the ocean waves lullabying you, now you are breathing gently and slowly. Now you step into the water. You notice the cool and pleasant feeling of the ocean wave washing over your feet as you slowly step into the water. Now you feel cool ocean wave gently rolling over and tenderly caressing your mind and your feet. You feel the ocean wave washing away all of your tensions and everything disturbing in your mind. You are perfectly comfortable in this place now. Now you are feeling the sea breeze while looking at it. Now your forehead is very cool. Now you are smelling the salty sea air. When you breathe in, you feel the cool, salty air coming through your nose and filling your lungs. More and more salty air comes into your nose each time you breathe in. The salty sea air is coming into your body through your nose and spreading all over your body. Now, salty air is moving around within your body. The salty sea air is moving around within your body, purifying your body. Now, salty air is moving around within your body and driving out all the negative energy from your body. Cool, salty air coming through your nose is moving around the inside of your body and curing every part of your body. Now you feel all the negative energy gradually escaping through your nose while you breathe out. Now your body is relaxed and filled with the energy of the sea. At this peaceful place, you are looking at a totally different you than before. When you open your eyes, you realize that you have a strong and healthy body, and you will do everything with a positive mindset. Now, take 3 deep breaths and open your eyes.